Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm David. Today I'm going to talk about OpenID Connect. OpenID Connect is an authentication protocol built on top of OAuth 2. If you know OAuth 2, you already know mostly about OpenID Connect. And for those of you who don't know what OAuth 2 is, please watch my previous video about OAuth 2 because I'm going to continue from where we ended last time. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm using the same slide I used last time for explaining OAuth 2, and I modified a little bit for OpenID Connect. Let's talk about the concept first and move on to the demo. OpenID Connect is an authentication protocol, so you use this protocol to prove your identity and receive ID token. This should sound pretty familiar if you watched my SAML video. This is a single sign-on process. Just like SAML SP initiated flow, you log into IDP and then SSO into relying party. But OpenID Connect is more close to OAuth 2. It works on top of OAuth 2 framework and follows the same authorization code flow. There are other flows as well, but I won't mention them here. ID token is what you get at the end of this process, and relying party uses this for logging in the user. I'm using the same OAuth 2 client app we used last time. I'm reusing it because I just need to make a small modification to make it work for OpenID Connect. But the purpose of this app is different though. We are not trying to call Google Photo Library at the end. We are trying to log in the user in photo printing app itself. In the OAuth 2 diagram, I highlighted the part which belongs to OIDC process. With everything the same like last time, all we need to do is when we call authorization endpoint, we add OpenID in the scope. I'm also adding email scope because I want to use email address as the user's username in my app. All the other steps are the same. At the end, ID token is returned back to the client, and your relying party can now verify your identity with this ID token and access the user information contained inside ID token and log you into photo printing app. I'm using the same OAuth 2 test code, but I made one commit for OpenID Connect. So I'll explain this later. I created a page for OpenID Connect. This is almost same as like what you saw last time, this page, but there is a little difference in this link. So if I inspect this and look at the parameter, there's the OpenID and the email. When I click this, it takes me to the Google authentication page. After logging in, it returns the ID token back to this page, and this app extracts the email address from the ID token and then uses it as the username. And when I log out from here, it clears the user session. So to explain what happens beneath the hood, so in the app settings YAML file, I added OpenID and the email as the scope. And then I made two endpoints, OIDC and the logout. So, and there's also like UI for the OIDC endpoint. So I get the scope from the app settings and then populate that in the link. And as you saw before, the user goes to the Google authentication page and comes back to the callback. And we get ID token here. We extract the email from the token, use that as the username, and redirect the user back to the OIDC page. And now the user is logged in. So in the UI, we show the user's username and the logout link. And when the user clicks the logout, we clear the session and redirect the user back to the OIDC page. Yeah, so that's it. This was a short video, and like as you can see, OIDC is very easy. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button below. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.